Hello, good afternoon students. Jai Sanskar. So in our lesson number 10, respiration in organism, we reached fourth point, 10.4, and the 10.4 is about what do we breathe out. Just in the last video, we have learned that breathing is most important for human being. Even we breathe throughout the life, but what do we breathe out? જ્યારે આપણે breathe in કરીએ છીએ ત્યારે આપણે ઓક્સિજન breathe in કરીએ છીએ, and what do we breathe out? Let's read and understand. To understand this concept, you must have to perform an activity. The activity 10.6. Take a slender, clean test tube or a glass plastic bottle. Suppose that we are taking plastic bottle. Make a hole in its lid and fix it on the bottle. Pour some freshly prepared lime water in the test tube. Insert that plastic straw through the hole in the lid in such a way that dips in the lime water. Now how gently through a straw a few times. Now blow gently through the straw few times. Is there change in the appearance of a lime water? See, before I explain this activity, first of all let's get back to this activity. See, in this activity we have already learned about inhalation and exhalation. So suppose that this is a glass jar, this is a rubber sheet, and this is the balloon. This is just a straw. So when you blow straw from here, what happened? The balloons inflate, or else you just put, see, when you tied this rubber band like this, what happened? The air pressure upward, airનું હવાનું દ્રવ્યાંક upward થાય છે, therefore the balloons inflated. Similarly, when you remove the rubber and keep your hand inside, the balloon deflated. So this is the model of the respiration through the lungs. આ lungs કઈ રીતે respiration કરે છે એનું બેસ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ છે. નાઉ સપોઝ દેટ ઇન ધીસ સ્ટ્રો, આ સ્ટ્રોની અંદર તમે એક ટ્યુબ લ્યો, ગ્લાસ ટ્યુબ લ્યો, અને પછી એ ગ્લાસ ટ્યુબમાં થોડું લાઇમ વોટર નાખો, એડ સમ લાઇમ વોટર ઇન ઇટ, અને પુટ અ સ્ટ્રો ઓન ઇટ, એન્ડ ફ્રોમ હિયર યુ જસ્ટ બ્લો ધ એર ફોર સમટાઇમ્સ. તમે મોઢેથી હવાને બ્લો કરો. See what happened? After some times this lime water turns milky. આ જે લાઇમ વોટર છે એ શું થઈ જશે? તો કે it turns milky, આખું સફેદ કલરનું થઈ જશે. Can you explain this change on the basis of what you have learned in a chapter number 6? We have already learned in a chapter number 6 that when carbon dioxide mixed with any water or fluid, it turns its colors into the milky, સફેદ કલર થઈ જાય છે. You are aware that air we inhale or exhale is a mixture of gases. What do we exhale? We exhale carbon dioxide and various other gases. Do we exhale only carbon dioxide on the mixture of the gases along with it? Yes, only carbon dioxide in a large proportion we exhale. Do we exhale only you must have also observed that if you exhale on a mirror, a film of a moisture appears on the surface. From where do this droplet come? See, તમે જ્યારે એક્સેલ કરો અને સામે જો મિરર હોય, આમ તમે એક્સેલ કરો અને સામે જો મિરર હોય, then what happen? A tiny droplets comes together, ત્યાં tiny droplets છે એ જમા થઈ જાય છે. From where does these tiny droplets come? It comes from our lungs, which is the exhaled air. So before we read ahead, let's read this blue point, that is important one. Breathe for better life. Regular traditional breathing exercise, that is pranayam, can increase the capacity of the lungs to make it more air. Thus, more oxygen can be supplied to the body cell, resulting in a release of more oxygen. See, if you want to improve the capacity of your lung, for respiration like breathing in and breathing out, you must have to perform pranayams. What is pranayam? Pranayam means breathing deeply and exhaling, breathing out also deeply. When you breathe deeply and when you get the fresh air, your capacity of lung increases, and when you breathe out perfectly by performing pranayams, the dust particles and the other bad things is just also breathe out with your breathing. See, one chart is also given. The percentage of oxygen and carbon dioxide in inhaled and exhaled air. Inhaled is 21%, exhaled 16.4%. See, we take in air, and along with that air we also inhaled oxygen. But that oxygen that is present 20% in the atmosphere, we exhale 20% atmosphere's oxygen. But when we exhale almost 16.4% of it. It means that we exhale oxygen also. Now what about carbon dioxide? 0.04% carbon dioxide, and we exhale 4.4% carbon dioxide. Where is the other carbon dioxide generated? બીજું કાર્બન ડાયોક્સાઇડ આવ્યું ક્યાંથી? આપણે તો અંદર 0.04 જ લીધું હતું, થઈ ગયું 4.4. So the other carbon dioxide is from the food we ate. આપણે જે ફૂડ જમ્યું છે એમાંથી. You know that the plant products, we are eating plant products. આપણે plant product eat કરીએ. And you also know that plant food is carbon dioxide. Plant નું તો food જ છે carbon dioxide, water, minerals and carbon dioxide. So along with the plant product, we also eaten up the carbon dioxide, and that is thrown out by the body. So what do you learn from this point? You learn from this point that this is a model of the lungs respiration, or mode to show the mechanism of breathing. We exhale carbon dioxide. How do we prove that? We can perform this activity. We can take a test tube, we put a straw in it, and then we can exhale through mouth. આપણે mouth પર exhalation perform કરી શકીએ. So we can see that it turns milky, and only the carbon dioxide can turn water milky. Then what do we? This is the inhale and exhalation chart. What we inhale 21% oxygen, and when exhale 16.4 oxygen. We inhale 0.04 carbon dioxide, we exhale 4.4 carbon dioxide. Here the 10.4 is over.